Hello. Yes, I want to continue my discussion on theories on motivation. And we did look at a number of theories, and that is our first one was Abraham Maslow theory, that is the hierarchy of needs theory. In this part of this video, I want to look at the Herzberg two-factor theory. Now, this is a theory that focuses on motivational factors, and it classifies this into two, and that is the motivators and the hygiene factors. Now, according to Herzberg, the motivators are job factors that cause employees to be productive and therefore give them some satisfaction. And you're going to see what these factors are in this later on. Their gene factors are those factors that can cause dissatisfaction. Again, if you think about it, these are factors they don't satisfy. So factors that cause satisfaction are the motivators, but gene factors are factors that cause dissatisfactions only if those factors are missing. So now, in other words, if they're missing, they result in dissatisfaction, but they do not necessarily motivate employees if they're present. So they don't motivate employees, but they result in dissatisfaction if they're missing. And you're going to see what those factors are. And again, I said this before, some of you'll be surprised with some of these factors. So the best way to motivate employees is to one is, for example, because this theory looks at some factors that are in the work environment. So if you make the job interesting, it will be one way of making employees or resulting in employee satisfaction. The If you can help employees achieve their objectives, and if you can recognize their achievement through either by providing several opportunities for advancement, and if you also include some job responsibility, then you'll find that this results in some job satisfactions and therefore becomes a motivator. And just to look at this, uh, what you can think about in terms of what we can conclude from this is that this theory focuses on the job content itself and the job environment where work is done. So, Herzberg two-factor theory, we can say, is a theory of motivation that is based on job satisfaction, and you saw factors that motivate employees and those that result in dissatisfactions only if they're missing. So what factors, so the question we try to draw from this is, can you think about those factors that managers can control, and if they're controlled effectively, they increase worker motivation. And the second part is to think about how do workers rank job related factors in order of importance related to motivation. And I will summarize by just showing you what those motivators and their gene factors are. Again, this is according to Herzberg. So the motivators would include factors such as the work itself. So in other words, the job content itself, the sense of achievement if it is there, recognition, responsibility, and the growth and advancement. So if you provide opportunities for growth advancement and you recognize what employees are doing, then according to him, then this is going to motivate employees. However, on the other side, then we are saying in order for us to maintain motivation, then we must have the hygiene, or what we call the maintenance factors, present. If these factors are missing, then they result in dissatisfaction. So they don't motivate the employees, but to maintain the level of motivation, then the company policy and administration, the rules are there again to sustain or maintain motivation. Supervision, for example, becomes a factor we use also to maintain motivation, and working conditions, interpersonal relations, co-workers. Again, think about this: salary or job security, according to him, again, is a gene factor. You'll think, I'm sure some of you will think something like, salary and job security will be probably classified as a motivator, but no, this is basically an hygiene factor, and therefore it does not motivate employees, but it must be present in order to maintain the level of motivation. Again, that is according to him. So that's becomes some surprising a conclusion we can say from the chapter, from the theory, by saying, oh, this, salary and job security do not motivate employees. But again, if you think from a real perspective, from experience, probably, you could disagree with the theory, but again, this is based on his research, and what he found it that he classified those theories, those factors, into two: the motivators and the hygiene factors. So I look forward to discussing the next set of video, which is going to cover the McGregor theory, X and Y. And again, that one probably you'll be able to apply that theory to what you see today. So see you in the next video.